Can you explain with logic and a rational way the concept of the Trinity?
No, that's a very good question because it is so idiosyncratic to the Christian faith and it is extremely important to understand. The doctrine of the Trinity is the belief that God is one in being and three in person. One in being and three in person. So right off the bat, it's not a contradiction. Because if I were to say it's one in being and three in being, that is a contradiction. It's one in being and three in person. So what's the difference between a being and a person? A being is that quality or that essence or that substance, whatever you want to call it. A being is that which makes you what you are. And a person is that quality or that essence that makes you whom you are. So a being is that which makes you what you are. A person is that which makes you whom you are. What kind of a being am I? I'm a human being, just so you know. Now, who am I? I am Nabeel Qureshi. So what I am is a human being. That's my being. Who I am is Nabeel. That's my person. The two are not the same thing. We are human beings, but none of you share essentially the same kind of person that I am. We're all different persons. So the characteristic of a being is very different from that of a person. God is one being with three persons: Father, Son, and Spirit. What does it mean for Jesus to be the Son of God? What does it mean for God the Father to be the Father? These are different roles in the Trinity. And oftentimes people see the term Son and then impute inferiority to the Son. Some people will say that Jesus says things like in the Gospel of John, he says the Father is greater than I. How is it possible that Jesus is God when he says the Father is greater than I? And I would answer that question by saying, in our organization, Uncle Ravi Zacharias, he is the CEO of the organization. He is greater than I am. I'm at the bottom of the totem pole, he's at the top. And right now I'm earning brownie points. So he is greater than I am, but he is a human, just as I am. So his being is essentially equal to mine. He's a human being, I'm a human being, we're equal in that sense, but his role is greater than mine, and I'm inferior in that sense. So when Jesus says the Father is greater than I, the being is equal, the role is different.